Welcome. In this video, we will discuss about the Odisha's border dispute. So we know that there are border disputes at the international boundaries, right? We have border dispute with China, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Nepal, all these countries. But we also have border dispute within the India also, and they are like the interstate border dispute. So recently, there is a border dispute between Maharashtra and Karnataka. You must have heard about the Belgaum. So I've already made a video on it. I really suggest that you guys go ahead and search it in the YouTube on our channel. You will find a video that I have made for the border dispute between Maharashtra and Karnataka in relation to Belgaum. In this particular video, now we will discuss about the Odisha's border dispute regarding the Kotia village. So recently what happened, Odisha decided to hold the village panchayat election over here, and that is what the bordering state of Andhra Pradesh. So we will discuss about it. So which topic in the syllabus this particular focus on? So for the geography itself, like what is the state Odisha borders, what is the river location, is there any interwater state river dispute, and also the polity concept of it, because India has been made a union of states. So all these kind of things become a portion of your polity syllabus too. So let's start. So Odisha was carved out of Bengal Bihar Odisha province on 1st April 1936, but the interstate dispute continues even today. So it was a state which was formed in 1936, which is, it's not like after independence, it is a pre-independence state which was carved out. So just remember, earlier it is carved out from the Bihar Bengal Odisha, it was the single province. Odisha continues to have unresolved border dispute with 4 neighboring states in its 8 out of 30 districts. So 8 districts has the contention with regard to the border issues. 14 of the 30 districts share border with Andhra Pradesh, West Bengal, Chhattisgarh and Jharkhand. However, the dispute over the Kotia village in Koraput district bordering Andhra Pradesh is the only major border conflict. So even though it has the issues with other state too, the major contention point is over the Kotia village in the Koraput district in Andhra Pradesh. In 2006, Odisha sent a complaint to the central government under the Section 3 of the Interstate River Water Dispute Act of 1956 regarding its water dispute with Andhra Pradesh pertaining to interstate river Vamsadhara. So basically for Vamsadhara, it has a water dispute with which state? Andhra Pradesh. So just remember, Vamsadhara is the river which is shared between Odisha and Andhra Pradesh. Let's just quickly look into the political map of Odisha. So you see over here which all state its border to. So it has West Bengal, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh and Andhra Pradesh. So just remember, and then it shares the water border with the Bay of Bengal. So the one which is presently context is the Koraput district, the Kotia village which is located over here. This is the one which is disputed between Andhra Pradesh and Odisha, and that is the latest context. So just remember which all state its border: West Bengal, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh and Andhra Pradesh. Okay. So what is the dispute with other states? So as mentioned with Andhra Pradesh, it has a dispute over Kotia village as well as the Vamsadhara river dispute. Apart from that, for West Bengal also it has disputes. What are those? So Odisha and West Bengal have dispute over 27 plot in the Balasore district and some areas in the Mayurbhanj district of Odisha. So if you see over here, the Mayurbhanj district is the one which is going to have the it has the issue with the West Bengal. So this is your Mayurbhanj. It share the border over here. So Balasore and Mayurbhanj, which share the border with West Bengal, there is a dispute between the Odisha and West Bengal. Now Mayurbhanj district is known for its iron reserves as well as the Chau dance. So this is again something, go back to your Nitin Singhania and look into the Chau dance. It is something which is an important folk dance in which the colorful masks are prepared, and there are many variant to it. Mayurbhanj is one of the variant of the Chau dance. Then with Jharkhand also it has dispute. So the border dispute between Odisha and Jharkhand arises due to change in course of river Baitarni. So river Baitarni is the one which is disputed between the Odisha and Jharkhand. Baitarni river originate from the hill ranges of Keonjhar district of Odisha. So let's just go back and see where is the Keonjhar district is located. So you see over here, this is where it is located. So the Baitarni start from here, but then it reaches towards the Jharkhand, and that is why it is disputed. It is an east flowing river of peninsular India flowing eastward and joining the Bay of Bengal. Major portion of its catchment lies in the Odisha and a small patch of upper reach falls in the Jharkhand. So this is what exactly happened. How the river moves is that even though it starts from the Keonjhar, it moves towards Jharkhand and then finally it goes into the Bay of Bengal. So that is why there is a point of contention between Jharkhand and the Odisha regarding the Baitarni river. Then it has the dispute with the Chhattisgarh too. So Odisha has dispute relating to Nabargur and Jagasoda district. The central government constituted the Mahanadi Water Dispute Tribunal in 2018. So it has the Mahanadi River dispute with it also. Along with that, there are issues related to the district of Jagasoda. So if you see over here with the Chhattisgarh, it has the issue over the Jagagoda district too. So these are the things, these are the places where it has contention. So Odisha, even though it was carved out in 1936 itself, it has still keep on having border disputes as well as river water disputes with the neighboring state. So this is again an important point for you to remember from the polity perspective also, that even though India is a union of state, there are at time contention among the states too. So I hope you have understood this video. If you have any doubt, feel free to drop a comment. Thank you.